on deck 12. This is cabin 696. This is a balcony cabin. This is actually our cabin. So welcome to our new home for the next 20 days. Well, 17 days. So as you see, when we walk in, we do have this in the king configuration. The beds can be separated to become twins if you want. There's cabinetry that wraps the entire bed. This side is our stuff. There's 2 rows of hanging. We're going to use it to put our luggage. There is one US power right there on the right side of the bed. And then this side here is typically some shelves, hanging, and a safe. And we have our drawers down there at the bottom. We have a sofa that in some cabins is storage underneath, and other cabins it can convert to become a bed. Across from this, you have your desk, 2 US, 2 USB, and your European power. The light does light up there, the mirror, the light. That is a mini fridge, and you have 4 drawers for storage. Lamp, we have a teapot here, which is pretty cool. Or you can make coffee in there, I guess, like just hot water in there. Yeah. We do have a balcony, so let's go take a look at it. Not, incredibly wide, but it's actually quite deep compared to most balconies. Most balconies end right about here. So we really have great views. We're towards the back of the ship, so obviously we can see clearly to the back. We're inset a little bit, so we can't exactly see all the way to the front. But we see great all the way to the back. So let's go take a look at that bathroom and see what it's going to be like. So I'm going to hand this to Lisa so you guys can see me sitting on this. As you see, there's plenty of leg room, but you side to side, if you're fluffier than I am, then this could be a little tight. See, my elbows are out like that, right? Lisa just turned off the light on me. So, I fit, but if you're fluffier than me, then it could be a little tight. All right, you got a nice corner shower. Climb in there so you can see that too. Little sink, 3 shelf, hour up top, some shelving down the bottom. Pretty much everything we're going to need for our home away from home for the next few weeks plus. So let us know what you think of the balcony cabins here on the Ovation of the Seas. Till we see you again on the next one. Ciao.